kickstart your healing journey. Let's talk about all the powerful benefits of eating moringa seeds. Number one, they contain many powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa seeds contains a compound known as isothiocyanates, and they help to reduce inflammation inside the body, which can be great for joint pain, swelling, or even chronic inflammatory conditions. Number two, they are a natural detoxifier. They act as a natural cleanser in the body, helping to flush out all the toxins and also help to support liver function. Moringa seeds have even been used to purify water in traditional settings. Number three, they are rich in antioxidants and they are packed with vitamin C and vitamin E, also flavonoids, which helps to fight off oxidative stress and helps to protect the cells and boost overall health. Number four, they support digestion. Moringa seeds can help stimulate digestion. They also help to reduce bloating, and they also even act as a natural laxative when consumed in small amounts. Number five, they help to balance blood sugar levels. There are many studies out there that show that eating moringa seeds may help to regulate blood glucose levels, and this also makes them potentially helpful for people who are at risk or who have diabetes. Number six, they help support healthy brain function. Moringa seeds are high in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and they help to produce the brain tissue and also support mental clarity, mood, and memory. Number seven, they help to boost heart health. Moringa seeds contain healthy fats and nutrients that helps to not only manage cholesterol, but also help blood pressure. And this helps to support a healthier cardiovascular system. Number eight, they are antimicrobial and antibacterial. Did you know that? Moringa seeds have natural compounds that fight off bacteria and also pathogens, and this helps to support the immune system and immune health and could potentially help in fighting infections. There's something very important to know about moringa seeds. They are very potent, and it is best to start taking just 1 to 2 seeds a day and then work your way up and see how well your body responds to it. They also have a strong taste and may act as a natural laxative for some people. So I've never taken moringa seeds, but I am starting to incorporate these into my routine as well. I won't take them daily, but I will sneak 1 or 2 in, probably with a meal or right before I eat something for overall health and preventative. So I bought these, and this is just a 1-ounce bag for $4. And I found this at a local health holistic store. And if you have one of those type of stores in the area where you live, they probably most likely would carry moringa seeds, and you can just go in there and check and ask about these. I'm going to open one just to show you what it looks like on the inside, if I can get it open. And I'm just breaking open the seed here. Okay, and there's a little pod in the center. Little seed here. See? And it's really not bad. It has a nutty taste initially, and once I swallow it on my palate, it actually has a little sweet aftertaste. So not bad at all, guys. If you're interested in starting to take and eat moringa seeds, I would give it a try. I'm going to start incorporating these. I probably might take 1 to 2, and then I might work my way up from there. And I probably will take it, sparingly throughout the week and see how my body responds to it. But overall, really not bad. It was my first time trying it, and I'm glad I did try it. Like I said, it has a sweetness aftertaste on my tongue. I'm going to chase it with some water just to clear off my palate, but really not bad at all. And I'm just curious to see the health benefits of taking it and using it on a regular basis. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and find you some. I may put some links in my description where you can find some moringa seeds for yourself. And like I said, check out your local shops and stores in your community. You may be able to find them there and more of a convenience. But as always, if you guys are interested in this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and leave any questions that you may have about the moringa seeds in my comment section, and I'll do my best to try to answer them. See you guys in the next video. Bye.